Oh shit! What's going on, kings and queens, and welcome to Garten of Banban. I don't know too much about this game, so we'll just get right into it. I think it'll all work out just fine. Or apparently, click the clock to advance time. Okay. Oh. What's happening? I don't like what just happened. Oh, okay, they're just gonna throw us straight into it, huh? Okay. Okay, not too bad. Okay. Shift to sprint. Eat vegetables and fruits to become strong like me, okay? Nice. We're already off to a great start. Help a lot more people. I don't believe you for some reason. Honestly, this dude is like the one I'm the least excited to meet. Alright. Oh. What? Remote requires 2 batteries. Okay. Uh-huh. Okay. Down there. Materia. Ooh. 1 battery. 2 battery. Nothing's happened yet. Come to me, my child. Huh. Oh. Oh. Okay. What? You got a problem? Alright. Go on in there then. I don't know what's your deal, but go over there. Stop acting like you don't know what you're doing. Alright, well, what do we have to do? Oh wow. Alright, well. Well. That's what I was supposed to do. I'm so smart. I'm literally the smartest. Kit. Drone. Attack it. Yeah. Go get. You useless son of a. I'm not doing this with you. I refuse. Go get him. You're a traitor. He can't touch me as long as I got a drone, right? Oh. Oh no. Oh no, no, no. Oh, absolutely. Oh, absolutely not. Excuse me, but I see an open room. Oh, so it's glass. Got it. Mm-hmm. 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 Yep. What? Directly be commanded unbreakable glass. Yellow glass. What are you talking about? Oh shit. Damn. Alright. Bet. Maybe you do have a use. No, no, touch the button, you stupid. God. Why are you here? Am I supposed to be seeing something? Because I don't see it. Did I mess something up already? Probably. Oh, oh no. Oh, absolutely not. Oh, what if I said I don't consent? Is his name Chicken Salad? Does it say Chicken Salad over there? Hey buddy. Hey buddy, old pal. Hey, 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 broski. Why is your mouth open? Oh nah, you're disgusting. Ugly, ugly ass bird. Stupid ass goofy ass bird. Opioid bird. Oh yeah? You probably sleep right now. Unbelievable hungry. Feed 6 eggs to get your prize. Okay, I can do that. Maybe you're chill. Maybe you're a homie. And you're out here like, bro, just feed me my stuff and there will be no problems, right? You probably chill as hell. Look at me over here judging a bird. No, judging him because he's ugly. Because he was born incorrect. Oh my god, I thought my mom taught me better than this. You know what? Look, I don't see any more eggs to be giving you, and I absolutely refuse to get that last one. That's like right next to you. So you're gonna have to cooperate with me. Okay? Don't get mad because it's not my fault. These are your. Why are you eating eggs? Come on, you're a bird. What's wrong with you, Campbell? I'm not getting that last one until like I get the rest. Until I'm certain. There's no more options. The heck? Oh my god. There's gotta be more, right? Like somewhere, please. It's gotta be one I can like knock down with my phone or something. I ain't gonna lie, I'm not touching you. Why do I have to feed him? Why can't I just lay him out? You eat him. See, I know who would make you. It's not my fault that you were creating. How many I got? I look at my inventory. Shit. Come on, man. Come on, big bird. How do I know how many I got? I don't know how to count. Alright. I guess I just gotta walk up to you and accept that, huh? Alright, don't be mad if I feed you and, it's not exactly 6. I don't know how to count and I'm just a baby. So, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Bro, Brody, brother, man. Don't fucking move. Don't you fucking move. Why do I have to go up? Okay, I just lay him down. Oh, you're just. Come here. Attack. Attack now. Get him. You're so fucking useless. Oh, it's just lying down here all day. Dang it. I don't know how many I got. Find eggs to feed. I give you 5, okay? I have like 5, I think. Just one more. Just one more. Somewhere, please, for the love of God. I feel hungry. There we go. Boom. Baby boy. Got something else for you, see? The fuck? What is that? Oh my. Thanks you. Maybe that boy was just hungry and he is helpful, low key. You know what I'm saying? Maybe all along he's just misunderstood. And I've been the asshole. Okay. Well, I'm gonna leave you to it. Mm-hmm. What? So, hold on. Oh, okay. Hey, bud. Hey, bud. Know what I'm saying? Face to jump. Bet. Wait, what? Laughter is the best. Stop. Hey. I don't have anything. Ooh, I hate all that. I hate all that. What is finna happen here? What is that? Okay. Alright, I need to... Let me mentally prepare for this shit. What's gonna happen here? Ooh. Ooh, okay. I mean, I don't trust it. Okay. Let's go. Ooh, I hate all that. Oh, I hate that so much. Oh, no. Oh, fuck. Oh, my God. Don't look down. Oh, my God. I don't even have a fear of heights. Wait, what? What's my color? What do you mean, what's your color? Oh. What's happening? Oh, nothing can get over here, right? You're orange. I don't think there was anyone that was yellow. See? Light work. Simple sugar. Simple. Oh! Go! No! No! Wait! Wait! Don't do this! Don't do this! I didn't even do anything! You're such a
No! God, please, no! No!
I would jump off. I would jump off, baby boy. Oh! Oh! Touch it! Touch it! You stupid bitch! Wait! Calm down. Wait a minute. Wait. I'm missing my flight. I'm missing my flight. Oh shit! My heart couldn't handle that at that moment. I don't think I was. Oh my God. God, what is wrong with you? I did nothing to you. Okay. Can you chill out? Stop. Press it. No. Please, wait. Please, baby girl. Can we calm now? You know, it's like these like games are just like so unnecessarily creepy. What are you gonna do exactly? What exactly are you gonna do? Ooh. That hit. I knew he wasn't gonna kill me, but that hit me especially. That hit me in my feels, in my no goods. Okay, you can stop now. I thought he was like one of those things, like, you know, you Oh God! That was horrible. Wait, what? This is bull. Wait! Am I just gonna die? What? Okay. Yes. You know what? What are you gonna do? What are you gonna... I'm not doing this again. Now, my heart can't take it again. I can stare too, baby boy. You ain't nothing. You ain't nothing. You ain't nothing special. Okay, touch it. Touch it. Go. Mm-hmm. Run. Oh boy! Oh, he hit the bottom. Oh, he gonna feel that tomorrow. He gonna feel that in his gonads. That's what I like to see. That's what we do over here. That's why ultimately I'm better. He better never think he's the same as me. Because we're not the same. We're not the same. We're simply just not the same. Ooh. What's that? Oh, okay. Get him. Oh. Oh no. Didn't I just send a bird down there? Yeah, see, this is where we're disconnecting. See, I am black. Okay. I don't do this exploring nonsense. That's just not for me. That's just not for my kind, really. We're not built for this kind of activity. No, feel like the bird is gonna just, you know, come and take a ride with me. Also, why is that bird mad at me? I fed him. This is horrible. This is my deepest, darkest fears incarnate. Oh, just surrounded by straight darkness. I gotta put my hands off the keyboard because I can't handle it. Oh no! Oh no! I'm gonna fart. Please stop. Oh, okay, smack. Ah! This. Wait, that was it? Huh. Alrighty then, I guess. Well, since that's it, I guess. But yeah, that surprised me. That's the end, actually. Okay. Well, I guess that's it. For this episode, Kings Goons. I think I'll play the sequel or Garten of Banban 2. Yeah. I'll see you all next time, Kings and Queens.